Today I'm gonna cook chicken with Balinese seasoning. I have this whole chicken and I cut it into 8 parts. It already clean. I wash it with water and lemon and rinse it. So let's move to the spices. Okay, now I want to explain all the ingredients here. I have red chili, cayenne chili, red onion, garlic, brown sugar, turmeric, ginger, galangal, lemongrass, turmeric leaf, orange leaf, cloves and cardamom, and coconut milk. All of the ingredients are needed to cook the chicken. We have to blend these things with the blender until it becomes a paste. It turns to paste now. Let's start cooking, guys. And now we start cooking. Turn on the gas, guys. Put some cooking oil. You wait until the pan is hot enough. Now the pan is ready. We can add chili paste that we have. Add the chili paste and the spicy paste that we have blended before. We can add the brown sugar. The smell is very nice, guys. And now we put the lemongrass, turmeric leaf, we sear it, orange leaf, cloves and kapulaga. And when it's dry, we can put the chicken in. Now we stir it. We can also put some water. Just a bit. Also add ajinomoto, salt, now we wait until the water is a bit dry, guys. It's cooked, guys. Now we can plating. Use big plate here. And now we are plating. Slowly. It's ready to serve, guys. We can eat this with the white rice. And enjoy. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, yeah. Thank you.